Welcome to my channel. Let's study the different parts of a flower. As there are different types of flowers, so we will study the different parts of a flower. Let's see this flower. This part is pedicel, with which the flower is attached to the plant. The second part is sepals. These are the sepals. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sepals. The number of sepals may vary. The next part is, first is pedicel, second is sepals, third part is petals. As we are looking at this part, these are petals. There are how many petals? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The number of petals can differ. These are three parts which we can see, but the other parts, that is male and female part of the plant, these are inside the flower. We will see. This is the flower. If we cut open it, that is vertically, with the help of plate, I'm cutting with the help of a forceps. Remove this part. Like this. I don't have blade, so I am cutting this, opening this, and I'll show you the vertical section, or you can say longitudinal section of the flower. These are the internal parts of the flower. We can see the different parts. These internal parts are male and female parts. See, these are the male parts. 1, 2, there are 3, 4. I am removing all these parts, and 5. How interesting. And there are 5 male parts and only 1 female part. It goes up to sepals. Okay, I'll remove this. It's broken from here. I'll show you the other one. No, I'll remove it. These are the male organs. I have shown you these 5. This type of flower, this plant, all the flowers will have 5 sepals, 5 petals, and 5 male parts. I'll tell you what are the male parts, and 1 female part. It's fixed. But if we take the other flower, This is pedicel, and these are sepals. There are you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see 6. This means number of sepals may vary, and so many petals. You can see so many petals are there, but the number of sepals, petals, stamens, carpels of all the similar flowers is same. Now you can see the male and the female part. That is, there are so many male and one female in the center. We will study only one flower. In the same way, all other flowers have these parts. Okay, I'll show you. The female part is this female part. This is, I told you it's broken. I'll remove female part of this flower. Be careful. These are very delicate parts. Okay, I can remove this also. Oh, it's interesting. I'll show you this. You can see this is the complete female part of the flower. Now I'll show you the different parts as well as their name with the help of diagram. First I'll draw the flower. Usually this question comes in exams, parts of a flower, how you can draw this flower in a simple way. I'll show you. The part I'm drawing, these are the petals, and you can draw the pedicel. This part, this is the pedicel, and whole part, this is pedicel, and this part is the female part of the flower. This one, it has 3 parts. This part is stigma, this is style, and third is ovary. The whole, this part, stigma, style, ovary, this is female part. This part is called carpel. And now comes the male part of the flower. these 5 I have shown you. This is the male part. You can draw like this. I joined it. Now one part left, that is sepals. You can draw like this. Now it became a symmetrical diagram. And if you want to study the different parts separately, I can tell you. As I have shown you this part, this is the male part. I have not labeled the different parts of the male part. I can label it. This is, there are 2 parts, this and this. This is called filament, and this is called anther. This part, upper part is called anther and lower part is called filament. In the same way, I can show you the different parts of this. This is, I'll draw this diagram also. Simply you can draw like this. And this is the anther and this is the filament, right? Now I'll show you the female part. Oops. Draw like this. This part is called stigma. As I have shown you here, this is style and this is ovary. You can show ovules here. These are the ovules. These are the different parts of a flower. Simply you can say pedicel, sepals. I have not labeled it. This is sepal, pedicel, sepal, and third part is petal. I have not labeled it. This is petal. Pedicel, sepal, petal, carpel, and stamen. This complete part is called stamen. As I have shown you, the 3 combined parts is called carpel. This is called stamen. Right? Now, first part is petal. This is a revision for you. Second part is, pedicel. I have to write pedicel. Second part is sepal. Third part is petal. Fourth part is stamen, and fifth part is carpel. These are the 5 different parts of a flower. How interesting it is. If you like my video, please don't forget to comment and share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.